Install the thermocouple behind the dental furnace. Red corresponds to positive. Yellow corresponds to negative. There is a line number on it. The corresponding connection. The next step is to power on the device. Turn on the power. Enter the main interface. Click Lift System. Click to manual position. Lower the tray. Wait until it stops automatically. Click on Auto Position. Click Close. Put the prepared stove on it. Prepare the dry pot. Put zirconium beads inside. Put this block. Place it in the middle of the stove. You can set your own process below. Click on Process Selection. Select the first process. Click on Crafting to edit. Set the process you want. Save. Then click Return. Click Confirm. Warming data. Click Data Settings. Then click Save. Show Save twice. The data has been saved. Click to return. Click to start heating. The stove will automatically rise. Let's take a look at the parameter settings. Lifting system. You can set the tray drop time and the tray temperature drop point. Setup. Click Close. Click to return to the main interface. The device starts to heat up.